Hi everyone, welcome back to Adifamisha, and I know it's been a long time since I recorded with my voice. I think I forgot my voice. What? Alright, I'm just gonna play this game and show you how to get some little guys, I guess. Little guys. Don't look at realistic guy. Okay, we're gonna find oil guy. So first, after you spawn there, you can immediately just get little guy. But then, if you see that wooden cabin, walk to it. Walk. And then you see these crates. You see this crate? Yeet. Try to squeeze your way through. And if your skin randomly turns yellow for no reason, that means you're good. That means you can do it, or I guess. And after you go back to, and after that, maybe you should go back to spawn. Look behind the spawn. You'll see oil guy. Yeah, he's flying. The only way to do this is that oil goes on water. So. And then after you touch him, he'll be teleported back. Oil guy. Yeah, you got oil guy. Alright, next one, we're gonna just get tub guy in wood cabin. You see behind these, if you walk in and turn to your left, you'll see tub guy right there. Yeah, he's behind the crates. He's in a tub. I don't think that's actually called a tub, but I'm just gonna show you where Beanie Guy and Dancing Guy are. They're both at the arcade, and also Cloudy Guy. My cousin just taught me how to get Cloudy Guy. And then also there's a don't ask that. And also there's an obby. If you've been at workarounds, maybe you should. Just kidding. Just try. Okay. That's a lights out guy. You're supposed to get all the lights out, but it's pretty easy. Just click on it randomly and try to get all the lights out. And this is Dancing Guy. Dancing Guy. Kind of looks like an F for some reason. Oh wait, what was the other guy? Oh yeah, Beanie Guy. Yeah, Beanie Guy. After you go behind the arcade, you'll see this random chain going up. And then if you see a statue called the Little Guy, the creator, that means go behind it and you'll find Beanie Guy. Yeah. The creator is a beanie. Beanie, that's so... Alright, first you go to the little lab to get Cloudy Guy. Yeah, Cloudy. Okay. And go to the little labs, which is over here behind the arcade. After you go to the chain, you might be here. It's not in little labs, but look to your left. And look to your left again. And then walk on the rope. Go behind. Alright, that's just realistic guy. Don't ask him. Alright, that's realistic guy over there. I forgot how to get Cloudy Guy, but I think he was like, oh wait, I see him. Oh. Alright, that's realistic guy on the rope. Hee. Don't ask why he is there. Why? Don't ask why. I don't know. Alright, maybe it's... Oh yeah, it's next to Beanie Guy. Cloudy Guy's next to Beanie Guy. Go back to Beanie Guy, but not behind him. You have to go behind this tree. And you see that vine, climb up it. If you see a rope, climb up it. Why are we climbing? Oh, I just lagged for a second. Alright, and then you'll be over here. And then after this, go here. Because first you came here, and then now you go over here and then jump on the cloud, and then boom, we got Cloudy Guy. And I'm gonna go follow. Whee! Back to the spawn. Right now we're gonna get News Guy and what guy? News Guy. He's in the house. He's over here in the house. Okay, this Robloxian house. Conspiracy Guy is gonna be later after News Guy. Oh God! Stop teleporting me in the chair. So first go to the bedroom. I'm just gonna show you guys a bonus real quick. Sleepy Guy. And then if you look on this desk that says Tromic, go rotate your camera to behind it, and then you'll find a red button probably. And if you find that particular red button, click it and then the TV will be on and then you'll get news guy. Okay, conspiracy guy. Okay, first chat /e and then your username. You don't need to type /e unicorn real friend. /e your username, alright? There he is! Alright, we got him. Alright, diamond guy. Now we gotta get wet guy. Okay, first go to this waterfall where you found oil guy, and then I'm gonna do this. Yeah, he's right there. Alright, now go back to the house, climb on this porch thingy, get out the door, get on the roof, go to the chimney, and then you'll get a guy. I'm not telling you the name, just find it by yourself, alright? Because I'm tired of sleeping. It's been kind of a long time. Alright, diamond guy. Do you see this diamond in the cave? Click it. Just click it. And then this will pop up. And then diamond guy pops up. And also there's another guy behind this rock. Oh, not that rock. Oh yeah, that rock. I forget rocks. Sediment. Alright, rock guy. You have to reset because there's no way of getting back up. Alright, let's just get graffiti guy. I think you already saw him in the Easter egg. He's here. And now let's get medium guy. Do you see medium guy? If you find him over here somewhere, try clicking this yellow thing next to him and you'll just get him. Boom, easy. And if you want to get group guy, just join the group. Just join the group. And that's all the guys. I'm just gonna show in this video today because I'm gonna get a little bit tired of editing. And thank you for watching. And I usually forget what to say now, it's just it's been a real long time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to ID for Misha. Bye!